If you're looking for dependable ink cartridges that won't let you down, the remanufactured HP98 2-pack offers just that. Each cartridge is individually factory sealed, ensuring fresh ink and protection from damage before you even open the box. This means what you get is ready to perform from the moment it's installed. These cartridges are remanufactured under strict quality standards, so you can trust their reliability and ink output. While they're not brand new, they undergo thorough testing to meet high expectations. This makes them a budget-friendly alternative without sacrificing print quality or longevity. One important note: due to printer programming quirks, your printer might show the ink level as empty even when the cartridge is full. This doesn't affect performance, so you can keep printing without worry. It's a small detail that's worth knowing up front to avoid any confusion. Users have shared their experiences, highlighting that once installed, these cartridges deliver smooth and consistent printing. One reviewer mentioned a tricky initial installation that caused some ink on their hands, but after that, it was smooth sailing. The ink's staying power impressed them enough to recommend these cartridges. What changes when you switch to this 2-pack? You'll enjoy uninterrupted printing with cartridges that hold up well over time. Whether for home or office use, they provide dependable ink flow and sharp results. Plus, buying 2 at once means you're set for longer periods without needing to reorder. If that's you, someone who values quality without overspending, this remanufactured HP98 pack is worth a look. It balances cost-effectiveness with solid performance, so you don't have to compromise on your printing needs. Plus, the factory seal gives you peace of mind about freshness and protection. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your ink supply. These cartridges offer a practical solution for anyone tired of frequent replacements or unreliable prints. Reliable, tested, and budget-friendly. That's what you get with this HP98 remanufactured 2-pack. In the end, choosing the right ink cartridge matters. This option combines quality control with value, making it a smart pick for everyday printing tasks. Keep your printer running smoothly and your documents sharp with these trusted remanufactured cartridges.